much. Jonathan Cohen, President and CEO of 2020 Gene Systems. We are in Gaithersburg, Maryland, and we are a clinical lab testing company. Our main product is a multi-cancer early detection blood test. It's a small amount of blood. You can simultaneously screen for cancers like lung, liver, prostate, pancreatic, and others. We are right now the #2 market leader in the United States. We compete with a very well-known company called Grail. They're in the news of late, about an $8 billion company. They're being spun out this month out of Illumina. And our test differs from theirs in that we measure not DNA, but proteins, and I'll talk about those advantages. Last year, Inc. magazine ranked us the #1 fastest growing company in the state of Maryland by revenue. It was largely because of COVID testing, which we did a lot of. But we are also growing with our core business, cancer, about over 200% a year. Multi-cancer testing is very hot right now. Key opinion leaders, best-selling authors like Peter Attia are urging people to get these tests. Congress has a bill with over 300 co-sponsors, more than half of Congress, to expedite reimbursement for these tests. And there are initiatives at the NIH and the White House to accelerate these tests to reduce cancer mortality in America. Our test, in short, looks at proteins, not DNA. It has powerful AI algorithms that have been built with tens of thousands of individuals. And we've sold over 14,000 tests to date, with more and more each day. What are our main advantages over Grail and other emerging competitors? And simply put, it's better, faster, cheaper. Better best available evidence is that this approach of looking at tumor antigens or tumor proteins seems to detect more earlier stage 1 and 2, for many of the more deadly cancers like ovarian and pancreatic. Faster is faster access. We require a small quantity of blood that can be collected needle-free, pain-free, using devices, new devices that are coming on the market this year that can be accessed initially at pharmacy counters. And we have a pilot starting this summer at Giant. Here in Montgomery County, it's 7 Giants. That should be get kicked off in July or August. And then eventually at home, making it easy, affordable, convenient for people to screen their biomarkers, initially for cancer, but we have tests for other diseases as well. And cost, much less expensive than Grail Gallery, which is just under $1,000. We start at under $200. Cancer testing for everybody, not just the worried rich. Massive revenue opportunity. We project that about half of Americans will get these tests once a year before the end of this decade. And if we capture half of that market at scale at about $75 a test, we should be seeing about more than a $2.5 billion revenue opportunity. So we are trying to scale. And to do so, we're looking to raise $50 million this year. We have a firm commitment for $23 million from an East Asian private equity firm, very sophisticated. We have likely interest from at least one major Fortune 500 strategic, looking to do about another 20 or so million, preferably from American family offices, institutional investors, VCs, PEs, et cetera. Additionally, because we are consumer facing, we are doing crowdfunding. We've done a lot of crowdfunding and we're very good at it. We're raising money right now on WeFunder. So if you're not in a position to make a big investment today, tonight, please go to WeFunder, just put 2020 into the search. You can invest as little as $500, $1,000. If you invest $1,000, you will get a complimentary one test for you or a member of your family. We are probably, we believe, a near-term exit. We have substantial interest from potential acquirers. We are IPO ready, as raising money under Reg CF. We have all the audits. We have relationships with Wall Street bankers. So we are IPO ready when the markets open up. Thank you very much.